Hey friends, in order to configure TCP/IP, you must install or and enable a network adapter card. If this is the error you get while trying to access the internet or trying to configure TCP/IP, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, as we can understand that the issue is with the network adapter card itself, we should update the drivers. So before that, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and then select Run corresponding to Network and Internet. This will open the Network and Internet troubleshooter. In my case, it's already connected, but if it wasn't, it would have troubleshooted it. Now, the next one is to update and reinstall the drivers. So, search for Device Manager, open Device Manager. Now, expand the list for network adapters. You'll find something named as MediaTek Wi-Fi 6 and so on. Right click on it and update the drivers. These days we have Wi-Fi 7 standard as well, but Wi-Fi 6 is more common. And if that doesn't work, right click on it and then select uninstall device. Click on this. And once this is done, click on action and scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the drivers. If this doesn't work either, then you will have to call a hardware technician because then it could be a problem with the network adapter card itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.